Hi everyone, I am Anil Kumar, motivation speaker. Today I am going to speak about why HR manager should be a role model for any organization. Today I am going to speak this topic. Through this video, you will get clarity why HR manager should be a role model for any organization. What do you mean by human resource management? Human resources management is a planning, organizing, directing, controlling of procurement, development, compensation, maintenance, integration, and separation of human resources to the end that individual, organizational, and social objectives are accomplished. This definition only will say we should be a role model for organization. We are looking for all aspect like planning, organizing, directing, controlling of in all aspects. So that is the reason we should always role model for any organization because we are the role model. How will be a role model? We are setting or framing the policies like attendance, punctuality, discipline, like so many aspects will create and will frame the policies. So that policy to be followed by HR first. Then after that, everybody will follow the procedures. If HR does not want to do or follow the procedures or policies, nobody will follow because everybody sir I will be on HR. So we should always role model in the organization. We need to enter the factory as time stipulated by the HR policy. We should maintain dress code ethics. We should maintain, we should communicate in a well disciplined manner. We should have always discipline. If he doesn't have discipline, nobody will give respect. So if somebody see HR means they should give respect, will be always dignified because every HR's qualification is high, will be master degree, minimum degree will be there everywhere. So as per the degree, you will be very good communicator, will be a very good trust sense, will be have very good skills, knowledge, etc. So we are the mentor, we are the motivator, we are the trainer, we are the so many in any organization. For we will every day we are engaging with some training activities. So if we give training means before that we should alert, we should aware of it. What kind of training will be given as already we are practicing it. So that and all we should always keep it in mind. Something will say we are not following means nobody will follow. And one more thing, there will be an act called Standing Orders Act. Standing Orders Act is a Bible for any organization. So in that standing orders, each rules and regulations, punctuality, discipline, everything, leave management, everything will be there. So that is a Bible. As per the standing orders, we are following. First of all, we should follow the standing orders first. Then automatically every employees will be follow. So my advice is to HR always a leader. So leader, what will do? You will take a lead always. The followers will follow behind the leader. So always we should role model in the organization. So after seeing our principles, our discipline, our communication, every will be get adapted. So this is my own experience. If we go late, somebody will question. Your HR, you only come late means everybody will come late. The management will question us. So that is the reason always we should a role model for any organizations. So as I said earlier, HR is a leader, is a motivator, is a trainer, is so many aspects we have to be maintained in any organization. So that is the reason HR will call it as role model for any organization. Thank you.